Ben Courson Writing for Hope, an insight into mental health advocacy. In a world grappling with mental health challenges, the emergence of literature that addresses these issues with a blend of realism and hope is a welcome development. A significant contributor to this trend is Ben Courson, the author of Optimisfits and Flirting with Darkness. His works stand out as beacons of hope, offering readers insights into the struggles of mental health while simultaneously advocating for awareness and healing. Courson's work highlights the transformative power of literature in not just understanding but also in healing mental health challenges. The authenticity in Courson's literature about mental health stems from his own experiences. In Optimisfits, he intertwines personal narratives with broader mental health themes, creating a resonant and genuine connection with the reader. This approach emphasizes that while the journey through mental health issues is daunting, it is not insurmountable. One of Ben Courson's significant achievements through his writing is the normalization of mental health discussions. By addressing these topics in his books, he helps to dismantle the myths and misconceptions that often surround mental health issues. These stories serve as a powerful reminder that mental health issues do not define a person's identity or capabilities. Central to Courson's mental health advocacy is the theme of hope and optimism. His philosophy, as reflected in his writings, is about finding light in the darkness of mental health struggles. This message of resilience is crucial in empowering individuals to seek help and in fostering a supportive community that understands the nuances of mental health challenges. His work encourages readers to embrace their struggles and use them as a catalyst for personal growth and development. The empathetic narratives in his works provide a sense of companionship and understanding, often serving as a source of comfort and inspiration to readers who see reflections of their own struggles in his characters. The relatability of his stories allows readers to feel less isolated in their experiences, fostering a sense of community and shared understanding. The younger generation, in particular, finds a relatable voice in Courson's work. His honest depiction of mental health struggles speaks directly to the concerns of youth, who are increasingly facing issues like depression and anxiety. By engaging this demographic in a language they understand, literature becomes a powerful tool in guiding them through their mental health journeys. The impact of literature in the field of mental health advocacy cannot be overstated, and Ben Courson's contributions have been significant in this regard. His blend of personal experience with a message of hope has provided comfort and understanding to many. As we continue to navigate the complexities of mental health, supporting and encouraging such literary endeavors will remain crucial for fostering a more empathetic and aware society. Courson's legacy in this field is a testament to the power of words in not just telling stories but also in shaping perspectives and changing lives. This type of work will undoubtedly continue to inspire and empower individuals dealing with mental health challenges for years to come.